Zanu PF chairperson for Midlands Province Edson Chiherenge has told a party meeting that all those who are not members of Zanu PF will not get food aid during this year's debilitating drought. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Chiherenge was speaking at Rugare Shopping Center in Torwood on Saturday afternoon, where Zanu PF launched a campaign for its party candidate in the Ward 3 by-elections. He said government has a lot of food aid available, but it is only for Zanu PF supporters who are going to get it. The meeting was also attended by President Mnangagwa's son, David Kudakwashe, who is the Deputy Minister of Finance and Investment Promotion. The by-elections follow the death of Torwood Mayor Clayton Mashiachwa, who was a member of the opposition CCC. When you come to Zanu PF meetings, please don't bring your stress. However, when it comes to this year's drought, we have enough food for everyone, excluding those who are not members of the party, said Chiherenge. This is today's news about Midlands chairperson saying there is no food aid for non-Zanu PF members. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.